Welcome everyone. Your iPhone brightness keeps on changing on its own. Don't worry, the fix is simple. Let's start by opening up the settings. And from here, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see accessibility. You are then going to look for this one, display and text size. And you're going to scroll to the bottom, and this is the culprit. Hidden in settings, auto brightness. If this is on, your brightness is going to go like this. And if this one is off, the brightness you set will stay set. There are two things to note. The first one is if you go outside and your brightness will set dark indoors, it may be hard to see, and auto brightness would be useful in that case. If you're watching on the older software, just head over to display and brightness, and auto brightness is right there. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.